Welcome to my channel.
Three, two, one.
Number 1, head. 2, hair. 3, forehead. 4, eyebrows. 5, eyes. 6, ears. 7, nose. 8, mouth. 9, chin. 10, cheeks. 11, neck. 12, shoulders. 13, chest. 14, abdomen. 15, torso or the trunk of the body. 16, skin. 17, face. 18, back. 19, waist. We measure at the narrowest point. Hips we measure at the widest point. 21, arm. 22, elbow. 23, forearm. 24, wrist. 25, hand. 26, fingers. 27, thumb. Okay, now for the names of fingers. Thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, and the little finger, or pinky with IE or pinky with Y. And the middle of the hand we call it palm. 28, legs. 29, thighs. 30, knees. Pay attention, we don't pronounce K, we say knee. 31, calf. But pay attention, calf has two meanings. The young of a cow, and here the meaning is the fleshy back part of your leg below the knee. 32, ankle. Pay attention, we have two words confusing. Uncle, your father's or mother's brother, and ankle, the lower part, like a rest, but it's in your foot. 33, foot. Pay attention, the plural is not foot. This is irregular plural. Foot, feet. 34, toes, like fingers, but they are fingers for feet. We call them toes. 35, heel.
Thank you for watching.
Welcome to Zakinglish. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like all the video to get notified for more.
Yay! Yay!